have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first let's select the language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. In the next step you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later and set up this device offline. In the following step you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. I suggest you just disable all ticks here and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up fingerprint unlock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can set up face unlock, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can set up PIN, and this step you can skip too and do this just later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you have this NXT Vision feature, which makes image on your device more beautiful, but it also will consume much more battery, so I suggest you disable it and to enable it only for some special occasion, because you need your battery more, I guess. Tap next, then select home screen style. You have home and drawer screen or just home screen only. Next, select lock screen style. Next, select navigation button. You have buttons and you have gestures. I'll select gestures and setup complete. Then you have to agree privacy policy and terms of service of TCL. Tap skip and your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.